introduction to tablature is this little lick from The Man Who Sold the World. And it's remembering the numbers are the frets, or the open on the top here on the A string means simply an open A string. Now, tablature is not a substitute for notation, for the 5 lines, the stave, and 4 spaces. But it's the way most kids learn how to play Stairway to Heaven or other rock classic riffs, is by tablature. You don't have to know how to read music, but the problem is you don't know how long the notes are. When you look at these dots and numbers, you have to know the tune by heart. You have to know it by ear, and they're telling you where it's played on the instrument. Now, the cool thing about The Man Who Sold the World, and let me make myself larger now. Yeah, here we go. Is that so it's open A, and then the hammer-on is you pluck the open A, and then you strike the first finger on the first fret and let go. That's a hammer-on. That's a hammer-on. And you go back down to the 3rd fret on the E string, so it's. Now the cool thing is, although you can't hear it, that riff fits really great over the A, the D minor, the F, and the C. So it's da 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 it fits that same little riff. You know, the genius of David Bowie. That's an A, and that's a D minor. More of this to be continued. Have fun.